Hey everyone. I have been doing some troubleshooting with the Google Sites and especially with the Flipgrids that we have been embedding. And I've discovered an issue, and I'm going to show you the workaround that I found to solve the issue. So if I go to Oliver's website and I scroll down to the bottom and I have the Flipgrid that's embedded just like we showed before, I'm already logged into Flipgrid, which is why you see it this way. I left him a comment. I recorded a video so he can click and watch the video. But if I try to record a response directly in the website, I'm not going to be able to. So I noticed this issue recently. I've done a bunch of research and tried to find out how to allow them to do this. And it turns out Google Sites has a thing that basically blocks you from being able to use the webcam embedded on something on the website. So you won't be able to record a response directly in the window like that, like we were hoping to be able to. So the workaround I found is that we're going to add this button right here above that will take you directly to the web page and let you record a response on the web page. And then when you just click back, you'll see that the video pops up right there. So let me show you how to add the button. And then I'm going to show one more setting that needs to be added. So we're going to look at, let's go to Cecilia's webpage. So Cecilia has her Flipgrid. Oh, I've already left. I already added her. So let me go to Devin's webpage. So when you see the Flipgrid like this, what we need to do is add a button. So I'm going to come back to my Flipgrid, find the topic that I need, which is going to be Devin's individual page, and we're going to click share. And then this is the join link. I'm just going to copy that link. That's the link that's going to take you directly to Devin's topic so you can record a video for her. Now, when I come back to Devin's website and I'm in the editor, I need to add a button. So I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to scroll down to where I find a button. The link, I'm going to paste the Flipgrid code that I just added and some text for the button. And that will add the button right here. I'm just going to drag it up here so that it's the first thing you see in this section. Stretch it out a little bit. Center it, make it look nice and pretty. And now when someone goes, so let me go to preview mode. When someone goes to Devin's website, they won't be able to join, or they won't be able to leave a message right in here, but they'll be able to just click that button and it will take them to the site which will allow them to leave a message. There's one other thing I want to show. So if you want it to have this set up so when they see it, it says join with Google, because most of the kids are used to joining Flipgrid with Google, and that will kind of allow them to see it this way. If the other option is for them to have to put in their username or scan their QR code, I think that most people are not using that. So let me show you how to make sure that you have the login enabled. This is my topic, pre-K social media. It has, or this is my group rather. It has all of my topics inside of it. So I'm going to go to the group and edit the group. And right here, access control. So you can either set it to do student email, which will allow them to log in using Google, which is what they typically do, or you can set it to username. I don't think most of my kids use their username, so we're going to make sure that we all have student email selected and update. So make sure that is updated and then all of the topics will allow them to log in with Google. I know that's a lot. Of course, as always, reach out to me with questions, and we'll get this together. Thanks, everyone.